Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best drill press that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the DeWalt drill press. There is nothing flimsy about this magnetic drill press, not with its 10 amp motor power and 300-450th RPM speed. Great for heavy-duty applications, you can rely on its 4-3/8 inch of the drill to get your most rigorous jobs done. It also has all the right safety features in place, including overload protection to prolong the life of the motor. Changing chucks is a breeze with its quick change system that dispenses the need for extra tools. It is not cheap, but if you are looking for something with power and quality, this is a good choice. This unit is portable and lightweight. It also comes with a dedicated storage case and other useful features to make your work much easier. If you are a professional contractor or DIYer looking for a very powerful drill press, this is a great pick for you. It comes with a 3-point grip handle that you can release with the press of a button. This tool can also work with an annular cutter of 2 inches and up to 3/4 of an inch in diameter. It comes with a magnetic coolant bottle that you can place on a work surface or either side of the tool, and this feature allows you to control the flow of cooling fluid. This 2-speed setting magnetic drill press is backed by a 2-year warranty. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Jet J2530 15-inch 3/4 HP bench model drill press. This drill press has 16 speed settings that range from 200 to 3630 RPM and a 115-volt 3/4 HP single-phase motor. It has a 15-inch swing, a 5/8 inch chuck size, and a head that can swivel a full 360 degrees for maximum versatility. The 3 1/8 inch vertical stroke is spot on, and handling is easy and smooth. You can't operate it in reverse, but the ability to lock the quill down is a nice feature that makes up for it. This simple, yet powerful drill press comes with a cast iron head and large quill. This allows for accuracy. It is pretty heavy, as it weighs 157 pounds. This unit is highly durable and it is going to serve you for years. It also comes with a 2-year warranty. At number 3, we have the Genesis GDP805 P5 Speed 2.6 amp 8-inch drill press. This is another powerful drill press that you can use to handle a wide range of tasks. This unit features spindle travel of up to 2 inches. It also allows for drilling directly on the center of material that is up to 8 inches in diameter. This is a lightweight tool and it delivers great, smooth, and quiet operation. This is the perfect tool for DIYers and hobbyists looking for a powerful, convenient, and affordable drill press. The work table is also spacious, and it measures 6.25 inches by 6.25 inches. It comes with a 0.5-inch chuck that accepts larger bits, making it a highly versatile drill press. This unit offers 5 different speed settings for versatility. It comes with a 2.6 amp induction motor that delivers smooth, quiet performance. You can use it for long and achieve precise results. The speed of the machine is also very easy to change, thanks to its easily accessible pulley housing. The versatility of this unit also extends to its work table, as it tilts up to 45 degrees. If you are looking for the best drill press for your workshop or garage, then this is one of the best options to consider. At number 2, we have the WEN 4210T 10-inch drill press with laser. This drill press includes a laser, 0.5-inch keyed chuck and key, and the tools that you will need for assembly. Once installed, you will be able to adjust between 5 different speeds, ranging from 600-3100 RPM. The spindle travel is 2.5 inches and offers easy-to-read locking linear depth stops for accurate drilling operations that you can repeat. The 3.2 amp motor gives you the right amount of torque and power, while the cast iron work table can bevel up to 45 degrees in either direction. If you are ready to step up your game, try this drill press. This unit comes with a pretty large cast iron work table, allowing you to drill larger pieces of material. The table also bevels up to 45 degrees in both directions, and it features a rack and pinion height adjustment. It also comes with onboard key storage and 0.5-inch keyed chuck. The 5-speed settings of this drill press are 600, 1100, 1700, 2400, and 3100 rotations per minute. It comes with a rigid frame that is made out of cast iron to provide reliability and sturdiness. With this tool, you can bid farewell to guesswork, as it comes with an X-pattern laser that locks onto your drill points. This provides more accuracy when drilling. For repeatable and accurate drilling operations, this unit allows you to limit your spindle travel by setting the depth adjustment lever. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dremel 22001 drill press. This rotary tool station gives you the benefit of a drill press, but on a miniature scale. You will need to have a Dremel tool in order for this press to work. Then you will be able to create angled holes in 15-degree increments, up to 90 degrees horizontal. This makes it a lot easier to polish metal objects, sand different shapes, or grind metal with your Dremel tool. There is also storage for your bits, wrenches, and other accessories that you may need. With telescoping adjustments from 16 to 29 inches, you will love what this little press can do for your creative needs. This electric-powered drill press comes with cord management clips to store the power cords safely. The depth markings with depth stop are also there to boost your drilling accuracy. With the onboard storage, your wrenches, drill bits, and other accessories will be safe and very easy to reach. This unit also functions as a flex shaft stand, which is a very important tool for DIYers and hobbyists. The Dremel 22001 is highly versatile, and it is ideal for several applications. However, this is just a workstation, which means you have to supply a rotary tool for it to function like other drill presses. It is only compatible with Dremel rotary tools.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.